Hello everyone, welcome again. In this video also we'll talk about simplifying some of the equations using law of indices. Let's begin. Question number A. It's x4n minus 2 upon x square 2n minus 1. So just remember that it's in divide and the base x same. So what we can do, just write x 4n minus 2. Let's simplify here. 2 into 2 4 n minus 21 2. So 4n minus 2 minus 4n minus 2 equal to x 4n minus 2 minus 4n plus 2. Then you can see this is 4n minus 4n is 0. So x power, no need to write 0, minus 2 and plus 2 means it's also 0. So 0 is equal to 1. Always remember that anything in the base the power is 0, that's 1. Now b a n minus 2 a n plus 2, base are same, so a n minus 2 minus n plus 2, a n minus 2 minus n minus 2, this n and this n is minus, so 0, a minus 2 it's minus 4. If it's minus 4, I have written a formula 1 by a power 4. This is the answer. This can also be the answer. Okay, this can be also be the answer, and this also can be the answer. Thank you everyone. We will try to solve more complex questions in upcoming videos using law of indices.